So today I'm in Wales, more specifically North Wales. I'm flying my FPV drone in 40-mile-per-hour winds, so stay tuned to see how it went. That was ridiculously windy. Alright, so what is going on, you lot? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm in the middle of North Wales somewhere. So yeah, yesterday was 40-mile-per-hour winds, so I couldn't really fly the drone, and it was just pretty much raining most of the day. But today the weather looks like it's getting a little bit better, so hopefully I can get the drone up. Alright, so here's the plan. The weather's not good enough to really walk up somewhere high, so I'm gonna drive, park up, get the drone out, and then hopefully get some cool shots. It's a little bit cloudy at the moment, but I'm hoping it's gonna brighten up a little bit. But yeah, I've got absolutely no signal, so I'm hoping I know the way back to where I was. I know I need to turn around, so let's do that. Around here. So I've finally found somewhere to park. I've got cool sceneries looking either side, so I think I'm gonna get the drone out and send it back. All right, so I was gonna sit in the van and fly from here, but there is a massive rock blocking my signal, so I'm gonna stand over there a little bit. All right, let's send it. So after taking a little cruise up, this is what I managed to capture. So I've done my first pack, which is pretty sick, but I know the mountains on the other side are a little bit better and a little bit longer, so I'm going to take a little walk and we're going to head over there. I need to get across this river somehow, so I think I'm just going to wing it. Probably get a little bit wet. I made it. Oh, the floor's so wet.
So this is exactly where I am right now. It's pretty mad. This is basically the side that I want to dive down.
This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk up a little bit higher to the bit just up there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to get up there just so I've got a little bit better signal in the goggles, which means I can go a little bit further and be a little bit more confident as well. Feel how heavy my bag is right now, you'd know how hard this is. Alright, I'm not far from the top of this little bit now.
Ooh, sheep.
Alright, I'm sweating, but I've made it to the top of the part I wanted to come to. The rest, I'm not walking the rest. We're gonna fly the drone. I think I've got a pretty good vantage point from here. I can see there's nothing wrong with the signal. As long as I don't dip down too far where that waterfall is, I should be fine. The wind's picking up a fair bit, to be fair. I'm waiting for it to calm down and then we'll get the drone up. Now I'm pretty sure this weekend was meant to be like 40-50 mile/hour gusts of wind, so it obviously is going to be pretty windy up here. I'm just sorting my stuff out so I can get up in the air. I think it's still fairly windy, but I'm just going to have to send it. It's not really dying down. So, the goggles, my controller, let's go. Put the drone down there. Alright, send it. Here we are. Oh my god. So this is actually a lot further away than I thought. Like now that I'm looking at it through the drone, it's insane. I gotta make sure I don't lose signal. That's not good.
Recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Hopefully my drone doesn't fall out the sky. I'm gonna go to this one because I need to put GPS on this drone at some point. That way I'll be able to, if it does fail safe or it cuts out, I'm gonna be able to get it back. It will just fly back to me, which would be pretty handy. Yeah, we're getting nice and close up the rocks here. Hopefully, oh, megabits isn't the best. 3350 back to 50 megabits, it's all good. Yeah, this place looks amazing. Look how high up we are, oh my god. Oh, I'm losing signal, holy sh... Where even am I? I think I'm this little mount here, aren't I? Yeah, there we are. Okay, let's stick to a path. Maybe I can cruise up these ones over here. I am fighting the wind the entire way up. Here we go. Nice and close. Don't know what the lighting's like. The sun looks like it come out a little bit. Oh, this place looks crazy. Whoa. Let's go. Yeah, this is the shot I wanted. There it is. Let's go. Come straight back to myself as well. Look how crazy the scenery looks. Oh. Bring it in and land it. Oh, battery's getting low. Alright, so I want to do one more pack because I do want to go up this side again over here. Probably got better signal flying this mountain than I have this one over here. I've got no clue what any of these are called, by the way, so I'm very sorry. I have no signal. I don't even know where I am. I've just parked up and I'm getting cool drone shots pretty much. So if you know where I am, comment down below. I'm sure I'll have a look once I'm editing the video and be like, okay, that's where I was. Alright, let's plug it in. Make sure the straps are nice and tight. So I'm going to lean on this rock just because it's gotten a little bit more windy. There was a pretty big gust of wind a minute ago, but I'm hoping that's not going to come back. Yeah, this is going to be a good shot, I reckon. I like the... It just looks cool, man. No, telemetry has not been lost. I can't go any higher, it's so windy. Should we send it? Oh, I don't know, man. It's slow. I'm rinsing my battery, but signal seems to be alright. It's looking pretty good. It's so windy, man. No, let's come back. Oh my god, let's go. My radio is lying to me. Here we are. The wind is so strong. All right, let's land it. Oh my god. It's like ridiculously windy. So if you don't know much about FPV, you're probably wondering why my controller keeps telling me telemetry lost and telemetry found. That is basically because I just need to change some of the settings on it. Most of the time I fly around abandoned places, so that means I don't really need like long range signal, you know, the signal goes through the walls all right, so it's not too bad. But obviously here I'm going a long way away from the drone, so I need as much signal as I can get pretty much. So yeah, if you do have any questions, just comment down below, I'll be sure to answer them in the next video. So I've packed my bag up, I'm going to head back down to the van and see if I can find a few more spots along the way. I also need to find a park up for tonight as well.
The van is just down there.
But anyway, I'm going to find a way down.
Still windy.
Sorry. My foot went straight into the water then. Alright, so I'm back in the van. I have no destination, so I'm just going to drive and see what we find. And yeah, you're probably wondering, why are you just going around getting drone shots? Well, I'm looking for clips for Instagram and stuff, things that are going to sort of pop and do well. It is a little bit bright now, I'm sorry, but I'm hoping tonight is going to be a half decent sunset. I don't know what I want to capture, but we're just going to wing it and hope for the best. I've got an hour left of this drive. I've figured out where I'm going, so I'm hoping for a good sunset so we can get some cool footage. It should be pretty sick. Let's go. So it is a little bit more windy here, but the lighting's looking pretty good, so fingers crossed we can get some cool looking shots.
So the sick thing as well is I'm just going to sleep here tonight because I can. There's no signs that say no overnight parking.
And it's on Park for Night, so yeah, I'm ready. It's ridiculously windy, but I think we're going to be alright. Hopefully by the time I get there, the sun should be a little bit lower, so we're going to get even nicer lighting. It's quite harsh at the moment, but once the sun goes down a little bit more, it's going to get a lot softer and a lot nicer.
We're getting a little bit closer to the destination. That little tower just there.
It's ridiculous. It's so hot. Oh my god. Right, I need to get out of the wind. Alright, that's a little bit better. I seem to be the only person here. I just need to wait about an hour for the sun to go a little bit lower, and then I'm going to get the drone out. Hopefully get some good footage. So I'm still waiting around. I've got a little bit longer till the sun's going to set a bit more. But the question is, can my FPV drone survive these 40-mile-per-hour winds? Alright, the lighting's getting a bit better. So I'm going to do a pack now and then a pack in another hour, I reckon. Let's go. 40-mile-per-hour winds. Oh my god. I can't even stand up straight. That looks cool. See if we can cruise up to it a little bit more. Oh my god. Oh, oh, I'm gonna fall over in a minute. Too bad considering how much wind there is. Really fighting the wind. Oh, it's pushing me so much. Oh, we've got on fairly high. Right, we'll check on the van while we're here. I can actually see it. The van's just down. It's alright, we found the van.
The car park's completely empty.
So at the moment it looks like I've got the whole place to myself. Alright, so I'm back in the van. I'm going to cook a little bit of dinner and then probably go to sleep. But tonight's park up isn't too bad. There's no one here, which is pretty nice. While I'm having dinner, I also want to talk about these motors I've been using recently, the Velox V3s, which have actually been pretty good, I can't lie. So these motors are 1750 kV. So I run these on my 5-inch 6S quad and they've held up pretty well. Also, I got my drone stuck in the tree the other day and they've still survived, so it hasn't been too bad. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it is still really windy outside. I can feel the van shaking here and there. Sometimes you get a big gust of wind, but shouldn't be too bad. There's no one here, so I should get a pretty peaceful night's sleep. Tomorrow it kind of seems like we're going back to more worse weather, so I probably won't be filming tomorrow. Alright, so food's done. I'm going to get my bed out and probably get a bit of sleep. So today I did just want to put my drone to the test to see if I could fly in 40mph winds, and it turns out you can, but I wouldn't suggest it. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.